Hello and welcome to Wrike. Today we're taking a quick tour of the Manager Toolbox. This is a pre-configured space designed to give managers everything they need in one spot to develop their teams, run consistent meetings, track productivity, and connect daily work to company goals. Before we jump in, keep in mind that every folder here is fully modular. If you want to use a specific subfolder elsewhere, just use cross-tagging to bring it into your active space. Let's start with the one-on-one meeting folder. Every manager-employee relationship needs its own rhythm. Each team member gets a private one-on-one subfolder. From the left navigation panel, you can share each folder with a specific team member. For example, Natalie Chen, and then click Save. This keeps all conversations private. Inside Natalie's folder, you can set up meetings with just a click. This lets you prepare talking points ahead of time, capture what was discussed, and create follow-up action items that get tracked automatically. If you click the three-dot menu, you can set the meeting to repeat as often as you need. You'll also find a quick guide for setting up the Action Center dashboard, so everyone has their own one-on-one dashboard. Now let's look at the Development Plans folder. Each team member's development plan is a live project with clear goals. With timelines and real progress tracking, managers see exactly where everyone stands, and employees stay accountable for milestones that matter most. You can check off items from your development plan and bring them into your one-on-one conversations whenever needed. Moving on, the Knowledge Base folder keeps SOPs, FAQs, and documentation right in the workflow, where your team already works. That way, the right information is always just a click away, and nothing gets lost in a forgotten shared drive. When strategy and execution are kept separate, company objectives stay at the leadership level and never reach the people doing the work. The Strategy and Planning folder bridges that gap. OKRs connect directly to real projects and tasks. Managers can track progress at a glance, and every team member sees exactly how their work fits into the company's bigger goals. The Team Meetings folder gives your whole team a shared space. You can add to the agenda ahead of time, capture decisions as they happen, and assign follow-up actions right away. You can share this folder with your team by cross-tagging it into another space, making it even more visible. The Tools section brings everything together. The Team Management Dashboard gives managers real-time visibility into team capacity, availability, and utilization. With the Location parameter, you can point this dashboard to any specific space you have access to, pull the right data automatically. In my car, from the Meeting section, you can manage one-on-ones and team meetings. Just select the right location to filter your view as needed, so there's no more searching through endless folder trees. With one click, you can schedule meetings, check follow-up records, and access any flagged items for discussion. My Action Center is a daily hub for both managers and team members. It brings together all the work assigned to you from this space or any other space you can access. You get a clear view of overdue items, pending approvals, active tasks, and projects. With Wrike Dynamics dashboards, you can take actions right from the widgets. Sharing a copy of this dashboard with your team members lets them see their own one-on-one action items while keeping everything private. The Manager Toolbox gives managers a ready-to-use structure for every part of leading a team. From weekly check-ins to long-term development to strategic alignment, all packed in a modular solution. Thank you.